Hi, welcome to another video. So today I'm going to sand and seal the floor in my garden office. It was looking a bit grubby, so I've washed it, but you can see that the sealant isn't quite working properly anymore, so it does need to be resealed. And then I've started sanding it just in preparation for putting the oil on. I'm going to use like a sealant oil. I've cleared half the room and then I'll do it in two halves. I've put some of the stuff outside, but I'll just do it in two halves. So let's see how it goes.
I'm just using an 80 grit sandpaper, which is a medium grade sandpaper, and I'm just going over it systematically. I've already gone over some of the areas that needed sanding down further, as you can see where the patches are, but hopefully once I oil it all, those lighter patches won't show. And now I'm going to hoover it, just to make sure there's no dust at all left.
I'm now going to put on the finishing oil. I'm going to use rustic oil, and it's a Yonkers clear rustic oil, and I'm going to put a couple of coats on. I'm going to leave it 30 minutes between each coat. I'm going to use a roller, but then I've also got a soft cloth and then just wearing a glove just for safety as well. So let's see how it goes.
I'm putting this oil on quite liberally. I'm just pouring a little bit onto each board and then I'm rollering it in. It is actually soaking in quite well. And then I go over the whole floor in exactly the same way. I've made sure I've kept the doors open just to keep it well ventilated, mainly because the fumes are quite intoxicating, but it will help it to dry.
Okay, that's the first coat done and it's just drying. I'll leave it to dry for 30 minutes. Still a bit shiny in places, so I'm going to just let it dry out further. It says to buff out any shiny parts, but in my experience of using this, it's fine after about a day or two. Okay, this side is dry, so what I've done is to move the table over, and then I've sealed all that bit over there now. So technically the whole lot has been done. However, I need to do under the sofa. So I'll move that and do that area. Okay, that's that area sealed, and I'll just let it dry. Okay, this area here is now done and dry, and I'm just going to put the sofa back. Okay, that's the sofa and everything else back in place. And the floor is now done and dry.
Well, it's turned out pretty good in the end. I'm quite pleased with how it's turned out. You can see it still looks patchy in a few places, but it adds to the sort of rustic look. I could have just cleared the whole shed and sanded the whole floor down. It would have taken a lot longer to do that. But actually it's just a shed at the end of the day, and I just wanted to touch it up and just reseal it. Thanks for watching, and remember to subscribe for some more DIY videos.